Retirement. You know, that thing we're all working towards. It's supposed to be sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere, but honestly, planning for it sometimes feels like rocket science. Am I right?
It can definitely feel that way for sure.
So in this deep dive, let's demystify this whole retirement planning thing, right?
Yeah.
We've got this script here all about empowering people to take control of their financial future. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel in control of their money, especially when it comes to retirement?
Absolutely. It's about understanding your options and making informed choices. And that's what we're here for today.
Love it. So one of the biggest worries people have, I know I've felt it, is this whole am I saving enough thing. This script mentions the 70-80% rule. Like, replace that much of your pre-retirement income, which, okay, sounds straightforward, but what does that even mean in reality? Like, for someone who wants to, say, travel the world in retirement?
That's the key, isn't it? Because that 70-80% has to cover your dream retirement, whatever that looks like. If you're picturing globetrotting, that factors in. It's not just your salary now, it's your expenses then, which could be higher.
Whoa. Yeah, hadn't thought of it like that. Okay, so we know we need to save, but the question, how MPH is enough to actually make this dream retirement happen?
Well, this script gives a good starting point, aiming for 15-20% of your income.
15-20%. That's not insignificant. Is that why they always say, like, start saving in your 20s? I'll admit, wish I'd started earlier myself, but hey, better late than never, right?
Exactly. And starting early, it's not just about saving more. It's about this magical thing called compound interest. Imagine this. You invest, say, $100 today at, let's throw a number out there, 7% return. 40 years down the line, that could be worth over $1,400.
Wait, really? Just from, like, sitting there?
The magic of compounding. It's earning interest on your interest. So yeah, the earlier you start, even small amounts, the more time it has to snowball into something significant.
See, that's what I need to turn my pennies into something. All right, so we're saving, but then comes the confusing part, at least for me, all those retirement accounts. 401ks, IRAs, Roth IRAs. It's like alphabet soup, and I'm lost in the bowl. Can we break it down?
Of course. Think of a 401k like a treasure chest your employer gives you. The traditional kind, you put money in before taxes, which is nice now, but you pay taxes when you take it out in retirement.
So it's like a delayed gratification thing. Gotcha. What about the Roth IRA then?
Roth IRA, it's more like planting a fruit tree. You put money in after taxes so you don't get that immediate tax break. But when you retire and take money out, tax-free. You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor, tax-free.
Okay, that's a good analogy. Fruit trees sound nice, especially if it means keeping more of my money in retirement. And speaking of employer-sponsored plans, don't forget about employer matching contributions. Free money, people. Check your benefits package because your company might be willing to match a portion of your contributions.
Exactly. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for your future. And just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify. Don't put all your retirement savings in one account or asset class. Spread it around.
So true. Don't put all your eggs in one basket or all your retirement savings in one account. Spread it around, diversify. If one thing goes south, you're not left empty-handed. So if anyone's feeling overwhelmed out there, just remember this retirement planning thing, it's a marathon, not a sprint, right?
Absolutely. Every step, even if it's just learning about compound interest or calling your HR department about your 401k, it's progress.
Exactly. And on that note, here's a thought for everyone listening. What's one step you can take today to feel more confident in your plan? Could be as simple as setting up a budget or finally opening that retirement account.
Every journey, especially toward a comfortable retirement, starts with that first step.